Hi, this is going to be a crazy video. I'm going to have to show you, pause it, go over there, get more stuff, because I'm just about done with the stuff here. This was buried. Things are pretty awesome. And my buddy Mark says that they sell pretty good, so I got like 3 or 4 of them. I know I gave him at least 1 or 2 of them. Alright. Oh, okay. This is the other bag. I had 2 bags from from the card show. 50% off. How do you go wrong with a 50% off? I just put young Elsa with all my Venoms. Alright, this is a case of Pokemon. Oh! Pokemon dollar cards from the dollar store. My one buddy had 9 of them. And he sold 2, sold another 2. He just kept selling them. He broke one open for a show he was selling. He had 4 left, and I said, hey, I'll take them. I'll buy them. And then he goes and he sells 2 more of them. And I'm like, yo, I want those other 2. So at least I got the last 2 off of them. It's like, man. Okay, I had to pause the video and restart it because all my stupid scum boxes went flying all over the place like a bunch of jerks. And remember I was showing you all those different boxes and sets for $5? He gave me an 89 Bowman set. Griffey, the Griffey rookie year. He goes, here's proof. The Griffey's in the set. He takes it out and shows it to me. I'd rather just leave them in there. Why bother it? You know? And I don't know what. This looks like an 88 Fleer. Could be 89. They both had similar boxes back then. I remember for 88, for the 88s. Man, this is ridiculous. For the 88s, I think he did it again. And that's definitely 89. Randy Johnson, rookies are trash. I'm not sure which one that is. Oh, it's the black square one. You got the black square, you got the white square, you got the black scribble, you got the cursive writing, and then you got the blank one where they just colored it the same color as the bat. So, I don't know. This really upsets me because those things went flying. Do I have anything else over here? Nope. I'm cutting the video to save time. Wait. There's a Target bag here. Buried under a bunch of stuff. It looks like newspapers and mail. Okay.
If we work at housing.
This is crazy.
The problem is not that they're still teaching racism. The problem is there's some positive things.
This is so crazy. I went over there and I got some stuff. When I was clearing this stuff out to put it in the car with the other stuff that I had yesterday, there's still like half of what I've already shown in the last two videos still here. And there was no room in the back. So then I went to the trunk and I said, oh, I remember. I got those big things, those Stitch and the Mickey, whatever it's called, that Fantasia Mickey or whatever. And there was a big spot. Well, I forgot. I went shopping yesterday and I filled the whole thing up. I opened the trunk to try to put that stuff in. And I was, oh my God. So I have to take that stuff over there, put it in, come back and fill up again. And I still have stuff here, there, and over there. And over there, the house is so full. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 rooms full. Well, not full of stuff, but there's about 6 rooms full of stuff and 3 rooms that are still getting filled, I should say. It's ridiculous. All right, I've shown you these before. I don't know if I ever shown you the blue ones. There we go. Plush chair time. I got my Chromebook sitting there, so I didn't want to hit it, so I was very careful where I shot it. Basketball. It was a Swish, by the way. Although, even though it swished, one of the containers fell out of the bag. At Rock Auto. '70s Bob. At Rock Auto in '70s Bob. Okay, well, you know what? Since I went with it first, Pet Rock Auto, instead of '70s Bob, I got Young Gru, number 900. Look at that nose. My God. Anyways, remember the nose. Okay, what is this? Not sure. I'm gonna say this is Taylor. Yep, Taylor PA. Elite. Some new NFL Live. I don't know what it is. I bought a blaster of it and I bought 2 packs of it. I don't even know. You know what? I don't even know how much the packs were. I'm gonna guess like $3.95 or something. Okay. $3.98 and $15.98 for a pack of Elite. Tell you what though, everyone's pissed off that Elite is so much, but I really say they're sweet. All right. Oh my God. Really? Jesus. Knocked my George Orwell book over. But the good thing is, once this stuff, that stuff, and that stuff is over there, I won't have to be worrying about things banging into other things. Okay. This is from like last week or the week before, I'm not sure. Starting to get my visits mixed up. That is a Spock. That is a, I knew it. Oh, no. I thought it was a LeBron. Thank God it's a Karl Malone. It was on $8/22. So, yeah, 2 weeks ago. 2.5 weeks ago. Oh, and another Karl Malone. I think I asked them to give me a discount on this one because the top was smacked up a little bit. Nothing real major, but slightly open, slightly dented in the one corner. Oh, it's a whole cool. I thought it was a Thanos at first. Hey, they threw another one of these out there, so I grabbed it. I can't stand that piece of garbage. That's sad because I really liked him. And then as he got older in his career, he was a total jerk. Thor. You gotta love it. So I got a Thor and a Hulk. And since Pippin's a jerk, I'll make him go off to the side. Now, thing about Pippin is, that year, what was it, 1998? When Indiana was kicking Chicago's ass all over the place. And the refs, of course, they're cheating for Chicago because the NBA makes more money when Chicago was winning, when Jordan was there. And 97, 98, 96 also, they had to make up for Jordan's absence. Jordan was absent, so they had to make up for it. So, I mean, you weren't allowed to beat them. They cheated the Jazz and Indiana so bad those 2 years. It's ridiculous. I'll never forget Pippen fouling Mark Jackson, dribble after dribble after dribble. Every time he dribbled the ball, he would smash into him. And the refs wouldn't call it. And whenever Indiana or Utah would win a game against him, Phil Jackson and Scottie Pippen would cry like babies on ESPN about the officials. And nothing ever happened. Nothing ever happened to them. He didn't get fined. I think Phil Jackson got fined once, but that was it. But they were scumbags, and all they did was bitch, moan, groan, act like little kids. All right, since all that stuff's blocking, I got a Foxy, a Piggy, a Clowny, and a second Clowny over here, just to let you know. And I don't know if you can see it, but I can see it. And I got a rock. These things kill me. It's funny how people actually fight for those in the store. My buddies keep saying, no, don't buy the rock. Just get Brutus the Barber Beefcake. And I forget who the other one they say. Just get these two. That's it. They're the only ones that are worth anything. Because they're such short print. And I'm like, it's not in high demand. Brutus the Barber Beefcake, I mean, like, he wasn't a big star. I remember him going on those talk show with Mean Gene Okerlund and stuff, but he's not a star. Rock's the star. Triple H tried to make himself the star because he was married to Stephanie, but I always laugh at Triple H, thinking that he was important. Oh, I run it now. Yeah, you run it because you're married to the person who runs it. So you think you run it, but you don't run it. Stephanie runs it. Oh, Vince probably still ran it, but they made the perception. They made the perception of Triple H was in charge. Maybe he was. I don't know. I doubt it. I just remember what, and it's sad because it's like, you don't know whether they were on drugs really bad. The way goofy Vince McMahon used to act, he was so goofy. Like when they were pretending like they wanted the WWE still. WWF and the World Wildlife Federation was like trying to work with them and give it to them. It's ours. You can't do anything about it. And they act like a total moron. And they just said, okay, screw you, and we're going to keep it and go get your own. And then they wound up coming up with WWE. All right, I'm going to close this early. I still got stuff over there. I got everything off the couch now, thank God. There's like a bag full of mail in my attaché case, but that's about it. All right, no more peace signs. Just going to say thank you for watching. I do appreciate it. Hopefully I entertained you with the goofy stuff that I do. Okay, thank you.